Okay. Any minute now the ducks are going. I'm going to try and get to the bridge there to get that view of them falling down into the river. This is Matthew from South Grey News, catching the moment. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to see you just in a couple of minutes. Those are going to go. Got a chance to run down here and see it yourself if you like. Okay. Well, maybe I better not go anywhere. Maybe I don't want to miss it. And there's Fred. Fred Lex is our was a board member at Abbey Field. Now he's a resident and does some help with us. So it looks like he's going to be our official duck dumper. There's lots of committee helping here where it has to go.